Hi guys, this is Alice from sewingathomemom.com. Welcome back to my channel. In today's sewing video, I will teach you how to fix busted elastic in pants, in waistband. Step 1 is to identify if the elastic isn't damaged and is still usable. Step 2, I made sure the elastic isn't twisted or flipped. Step 3, I looked for the seam at the waistband, the seam, like the opening seam that I'm opening here. Usually it's located at the back or side of the waistband. I unpicked a bit of the casing and pulled both ends of the elastic out, but I made sure to keep the rest of it inside the casing. Remember, I'm only fixing elastic broken seam. I am not replacing the elastic. If you find this video useful, please show me your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. Cut off any loose threads. Now I'm going to demonstrate how I join the ends to align them for hand stitch. To make sure it won't bother me after the repair is done, it's gotta be done perfectly. Next, I made a knot at the end of the thread. I'm using hand sewing polyester thread, and I am using them as a double thread, and I do that for a stronger stitch. I start sewing with regular straight stitch. As you can see, I'm sewing in the kind of shape of rectangle, and I will do this a couple of times to ensure strong and secure finish. To make the seam even more unbreakable, I'm quickly securing this joint by sewing with simple whip stitch. This way I will make sure that the end of that elastic will not fray. And I put the needle through the loop, then I pull all the way. Then I repeat this process. So I made a double knot. And now it's safe to cut that thread off. By stretching the waistband, I got the elastic back inside the casing and then make it, stretch it a little bit more to make it even all around. I have my needle and a thread ready to finish off that opening in the casing, in the waistband casing. So this time I made a knot on a single end and I will be sewing with single thread. And I do this to hide the thread as much as I can after I finish sewing up the hole. So before I start sewing, I removed and cut off any extra threads, same thing as I did before. Then I sewed up the whole opening with a ladder stitch. I will put a link in the description below to my other video with the step-by-step instructions on how to do a hand ladder stitch to close the hole invisibly. Once you get the hang of it, you can speed up this process by doing few stitches at the same time, something like you see what I did over here. Once you reach the end of the opening, make sure to secure this invisible stitch by repeating the same steps as before, which are creating the loop halfway. Next, put the needle through it and pull it, then repeat for the double knot. If you find this video useful, please show me your support by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. This way I can continue to produce these types of videos. Feel free to leave me a comment below with your suggestion for future sewing videos. Until next time, bye bye!